Hi everyone, this is Salman. Today I have a topic for you is how to get paid more on your job. About millions of people are complaining. They do not get paid according to their work. They get paid less than they work. And pupils are at higher position. They always get paid more and they perform less job. So what is the system behind? We are going to talk about that. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, then please subscribe it so that you would be able to receive my every upcoming videos. Now this is a time to think for that how to get paid more. Let me clearly say this thing to you, that unless you want to change yourself, you cannot get paid more. What type of changing you need to make in you, I'll share it with you. Always try to see at your boss or any responsible person who is operating you and staff members, and try to notice their lackings and try to develop those qualities in you. Just for example, if your boss or any your higher position operator forget the things very soon, so try to memorize all the things at the same time. And if they are irresponsible at some places, then try to become more responsible and become more responsive at the places wherever they are lacking at, so that these qualities can help you whether you are working in a company, at any place, or in the sales sector. These can increase the chances of incrementation in your salary. Responsibilities. It's like how responsible you are, that much you get paid more. For example, there is a store and I am a staff member of that store, and I have my store manager in my store. He has salary amount of 1 lakh rupees and I get paid 20,000 rupees for a month. What are his responsibilities? He has to see store inventory, he has to see sales, he is responsible for audit, he is responsible for cash income, he is responsible for banking. He has many responsibilities to face. And what are my responsibilities? I just have to see the customer, I just have to entertain the customer. If I want to get paid 1 lakh rupees, that means I have to adopt or develop those qualities in me. If I supposed to apply somewhere for a post of manager, that means I have to develop those all qualities in me. Then I would be able to apply somewhere else for the post of manager, and I could have amount of 1 lakh rupees. Start working on you. It means you have to see your outlook. If you are a manager or you are a worker of somewhere, that means your disguise, your clothing, your dressed up indicates everything. Your body language indicates everything what you are capable of. That means you have to start working on your body language, you have to start working on your dressed up. If you want to become a formal man, if you are going at the place where they are requiring a complete formal person to become a manager or for having a higher position man, that means you have to be very formal. Your talking way, your voice tone, your body language, your outlook, everything should be in a way what they are looking at in a man. Always try to follow the contemporary fashion or dress up yourself in a formal way. your dressing has a language. That means the other person can understand him or herself that the person is really capable of this position or not. Become more responsive. Any job which is given to you by your company, just try to make it perfectly and efficiently. Try to save some expenses of your company and make your company realize that you have saved these expenses for it, so that your company would really appreciate you, and in this manner your company can increase your salary. Don't be loyal to your company for lifelong. Just try to switch your job after 2 years, because as much as you switch your job, that much you get paid more. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching this video.